How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Midalabamabassin. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fish the chatterbait. We're going to be going over the setup, where to fish it, how to fish it, and this is one of my favorite baits to fish in the summertime. And actually, if you didn't see my video that I done yesterday, you guys can go check it out. I'll leave it at the end of the video. So that was one of my top 5 favorite baits. So we're gonna get into that today. But before we get into it, go ahead and check out my Instagram page. Go look at my Instagram page, Midalabamabassin TV. You'll know whenever I post the video. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe and press the bell down there to get notified whenever I post a video. Alright guys, so first thing I want to do is I want to talk about my setup for a chatterbait. Here I have an American Pride fishing rod. American Pride, made by Billy Kistler. If you guys don't know Billy Kistler, you're crazy. He is one of the best rod makers in the industry. He is now back. The legend is back, and he is making rods again. He is now the owner of American Pride fishing rods. Here I have the Rocket. It is a 7.6 and it is mainly a rattle trap rod, but people on the Pride team like myself love to throw chatterbaits on this rod. That is one of the favorites, but this is a rattle trap rod too, if you would like to throw that on this rod. The reel that I have is a Ardent. It is a 7:3 to 1 gear ratio reel, so I can reel slow or I can reel fast. I can reel any way that I want to. You know, I get that chatterbait to move how I want to. This rod that I have has a nice tip. It has enough tip so I actually have sensitivity. These rods are so light. They're amazing rods. I suggest you guys go check them out. At the end of the video, I'm gonna give you a promo code that you can use to get 15% off your first purchase on an American Pride fishing rod. So let's get into how to fish the chatterbait. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to fishing. So here I just have your standard chatterbait. This is a Z-Man chatterbait. I have this in a brown, black, and red color. It has some glitter in it. It's really a bluegill color. The reason I'm fishing this bluegill color is because this time of the year, you know, the bluegill are just now getting off bed. It's late summer. The bluegill are off bed, and these bass are feeding on those bluegill. So what I'm trying to imitate is a bluegill. The reason I have a bit of red in it though, why would you need red? Some bluegill ain't red. Well, I like to have red in it because I want it to seem like a wounded bait fish. That is something that a lot of people don't do. Whenever they cast a bait that normally you reel in, they just reel it straight back. Change it up, do something different, something that the fish want to grab onto. Those fish don't want to put a lot of effort into biting a bait that's super lively. They want to hit that one bait that's sitting behind the group. It's wounded, it's weak. It's just an easy meal for them to get. As you guys can see, I'm out here by a grass bed, and it goes off into a point. A grass point is a great place to fish a chatterbait. You can fish it around rocks, you can fish it around reeds, you can fish it anywhere you want to, around structure. It's also really great at deflecting off of structure. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cast right along this weed bed right over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reel it, I'm gonna stop it, I'm gonna pop it, I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna give those fish something that they don't normally see. So I'm casting it out there. I'm right now doing a slow retrieve with a light little pop. And sometimes you can reel it and you can stop it. You can reel it and you can stop it. Don't be afraid to throw this in the grass neither. This is a weedless bait, and you can throw it around structure as well and it will not get hung up. Now you're probably wondering, Mason, why do you have a white trailer on this brown chatterbait? Well guys, sometimes the fish want a little something different. I mean, it really just depends, you know. My dad went out the other day, he was fishing this chatterbait and it had a green pumpkin trailer on it, a green pumpkin swim bait made by Strike King. So he wasn't getting any bites, so he changed to white and he started getting bites immediately. Those small little subtle changes can really change the game, and that's something you really want to pay attention to whenever you're fishing. So yeah guys, a chatterbait is a really simple bait to use. It's really basic, it's really easy to use, and it can catch really nice fish for you whenever you're fishing in a tournament. Now, the reason I have a 7.6 is because I like to get a longer cast. It helps me with a nice sidearm cast. So if I'm fishing a straight bank with reeds, I can get a nice long cast along that bank of reeds and not have to worry about spooking the fish, and I get to be in the strike zone longer. Guys, real quick before we get into the outro, I want to go ahead and pull out one of these American Pride cards. You guys, this card has 10 uses. So the first 10 people who use this promo code gets 15% off their first purchase on a Pride rod. Again, this one promo code has 10 uses, so 10 people can use this, no more than 10. It's the same code for all of these cards, so that means that we can use this 10 times. There it is, guys. There's your promo code. Go ahead and pause the video if you want to. I'll leave the website down in the description below. I'll also leave it right here to go check it out. Alright guys, so y'all use this promo code to get 15% off a Pride rod. Guys, these rods are absolutely amazing. Made by Billy Kistler, the legend, who's been around in the rod industry for a very long time. He is now back into making rods, and these rods are light and durable, and they are sure to be 100% satisfaction to you guys. So one more time, use that code. This thing has 10 uses. You guys get on it. You got a 15% discount on your first purchase. I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this helps you catch more fish on the chatterbait. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and go check out Pride Fishing Rods. I will leave their website in the description below, and I will also leave them in the comments. I'll leave it right here too for you guys to go check it out. Also, don't forget to go check out Silicog Marine and ATV. You can find the best nitros, and you can customize your boat, and they can do stuff that other boat dealers just really can't do. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to go check out my Instagram, Midalabamabassin TV. Also subscribe and click the bell if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.